In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix payout failed issues on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the settings section and open the payments area. Now, carefully review your payout information. Make sure your bank account number, routing number, bank name, country, and payout method are all entered correctly. Even one incorrect digit can cause the payout to fail. After that, verify your identity and tax information. Incomplete identity verification or missing tax forms can block payouts until everything is approved. You should also make sure that the name on your Gumroad account matches the name on your bank account. If the names do not match, the bank may reject the transfer automatically. Next, contact your bank if needed. Some banks block international transfers or payments from certain platforms for security reasons. You can ask your bank if there are any restrictions or rejected transactions related to Gumroad payouts. After correcting the information, wait for the next payout cycle because Gumroad may automatically retry the failed payout. You should also avoid changing payout details too frequently because repeated changes can trigger additional security reviews. Most payout failed issues are caused by incorrect banking details, verification problems, or bank restrictions. Once the information is corrected, payouts usually resume normally. And that's how to fix payout failed issues on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.